welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I did my Olivia Rodrigo illustration. You can apply all these tips in any illustration using Procreate. The first thing is to create the canvas for the illustration. You can do this by going to the plus sign on the upper corner and typing right next to where it says New Canvas. This is going to take you to this new screen where you can type in the dimensions. I used an 11 by 14. When you type your dimensions, it's going to tell you how many layers you can use. It's important to use a canvas that allows you to add many layers. Believe me, you are going to need them. To add the photo, you can go to the wrench tools and under the Add feature, you tap on Insert a Photo. This is going to take you to your photo album. Here you can choose the photo you are going to be working on. To adjust the photo, you can use the Fit to Canvas feature that appears below, or use your fingers to move it around to your liking. I am bringing the opacity of the picture down so I can see more clearly what I am going to be drawing on top of the photo. Now I am adding a new layer on top where I am going to be drawing her skin and body. I have a palette created with different skin tones and I am going to pick one similar to her skin color. For my illustration, I like using the brush called Syrup. You can find it under the inking brushes. And now I start by going through all the edge of her face. Once I finish the shape, I drag the color from the upper right corner and I drop it inside the shape to fill in. I am creating this new layer on top for her hand because I am going to be drawing it in a darker color to make a small difference from the rest of her body. I noticed it was too dark, so I just picked a lighter color and fill in the shape. So much better. Now I am creating a new layer on top where I am going to be adding some of the details of her face like the eyelashes, eyebrows, and lips. To pick a color from the picture, you can bring up the opacity of the photo. Hold your finger on the color you want and it's going to pick it up. Just remember to bring down the opacity back. I created, I am going to place it below the layer with the eyelashes and I am going to draw the teeth and the white part of her eyes. Now I am going to draw her hair in a new layer. like I am doing here. For the eyes, I add a new layer for every part and I start from back to front. Now, I am going to be adding shadows for her skin. If you want to see a detailed explanation on how I do shadows, I am going to recommend you one of my other videos at the end of this one. detail of her clothes. I took the longest time on her clothes, but I believe it is worth it, because at the end you'll see how much detail it adds to the illustration and how cute it looks. But don't worry, I am speeding up the process. to turn on all of the layers and change the background color, which is white by default, but you can choose any color you like. And here it is, the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Bye!